So after so many years of sewing and teaching on YouTube, I decided to go back to a fashion school. And in today's video, you're going to be following me to the market to get everything that I'll be needing. So this decision wasn't really an easy one, but I know that this is exactly what I want to do in order to become the designer I've always dreamt of becoming. And if you've been following me for a while, you will notice that sewing has completely changed my life. I've made series of beautiful dresses and I've also taught hundreds of people online, but I believe there's always room to grow, right? Fashion is evolving and I don't want to remain where I am. I want to learn better techniques. I want to improve in my finishing and also learn modern methods and techniques so that by the end of the day, I can even become a better fashion designer. So right here on the screen are some of the things that we were asked to get, or these are the list of the things we were asked to get. So today I will know if I'll be able to get everything, which I am 100% sure and certain about. So I'm really optimistic about this, my new journey, and I really know and I'm hopeful that it's really going to be a fun experience for me, because it can be very tedious. I know what I'm signing up for. I'm not really going there for a beginner's class or something. I'm really going there for structures and all of that, which later I'll be sharing some of the course outlines with you all right here. So I'm almost done and I'll just proceed to the market.
So I kept simple with my outfit because I didn't really want to do much because of the way that we are in. And it was more like I knew what was happening. And immediately I stepped outside, I witnessed a heavy downpour. It reduced at this point, but I finally was able to board a keke, which is also a tricycle. The flood drastically reduced at this point, and I was really excited. I made a quick stop when I alighted to get some cash because I always move around with cash. And at the end of the day, I had to get this raincoat, which eventually tore in the market as well. It was so annoying. I made a quick stop to get this bag from my sister because she requested for it since I was in the market, and also this one. So that was how I spent almost an hour plus in this department of the market before I proceeded to the sewing or the tailors department. So at this point here, I was trying to get the calico first, and you can see it's still drizzling. This drizzling was not even, it wasn't even faint. It was as if today was just planned for me. I later saw this calico, but when I was in secondary school, we always do home economics practicals. I used to see like all this thick cotton calico, but it was really hard to find. So I had to go for this one. They said was the best out of all the textures. I quickly moved to get the pattern paper and other things I needed. So voila, I'm back home, properly drenched, my raincoat torn, everything horrible, but thanks to God I'm back.
Here are basically some of the items I got. I got this calico fabric. It is 10 yards in total here. I bought this bundle of pattern paper and it is 40 pieces right here. I didn't count it, but I trust my vendor, right? And I got it for 35. My calico here is a total of 6,000 naira, and I got a paper scissors. I already have two fabric scissors, so there was no point of buying extra fabric scissors. I'll just have to use one as my fabric scissors and leave the other one at home. I got this industrial needle and also for a manual sewing machine. I also got this office pin. I got my pencil. I already have a lot of pencils at home. I also got this my bobbin case. I have a lot of bobbin, but I think I'll still be going back to the market because some certain things I didn't include them here. But these are just the few I have so far, and nothing is late either because I'll still get all of that.
Hi, lovelies. I am honestly super excited about this new chapter. And thank you all so much for supporting me all these years. And I hope you come along with me on this journey because I'll be sharing everything from this fashion school and hopefully we'll grow together, right? I still remain Luchke Styles and I'll see you all next time on this same channel. But till then, Keep on having lovely moments ahead of you all. I need a hot bath because I'm drenched. I love you all. Bye.